This is probably the best way that you can make millions and millions of dollars in the next bull run. And it is not by dollar cost averaging into coins that you are not 100% sure will even survive this bear market. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. Check out that Webull link and you can get 5 free stocks valued up to $12,000. And now let's jump straight into the video. So you want to make millions and millions of dollars in the next bull run. Right now you're probably watching this video and you're thinking, bro, what coin will survive the bear market? What coins should I dollar cost average into? How low will crypto go? In this video, I want to make you think outside of the box. A lot of people right now are focusing on coins. They're pretty much trying to figure out which coins are going to survive the bear market so they can dollar cost average into them. In this video, I will talk about a different strategy that can make you millions, and that is buying brand new projects. As you guys know, back in 2017 and 2018, the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap were very, very different from the top 100 coins right now. As you guys know, projects come, they fail, and they disappear forever. Don't get me wrong, there was a lot of projects from 2018 that survived. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, XRP, and a couple of other ones. And in this bull run of 2021, they did very well and they made a lot of people filthy rich. But I'm here to tell you that a lot of those projects that survived were not the biggest gainers, were not the 100x or the 1000x projects. A lot of the projects that did a 100x or 1000x, they were new projects. They were developed and launched in the bear market, and they had massive, massive returns. Here's a list of some of those projects that launched in the bear market that had massive returns in 2021. So one of the biggest gainers of 2021 was Gala. Gala went up over 32,000%. So if you invested $1,000 into Gala, you could have cashed out over $326,000. That is a massive return. But if you sold at the very top, you could have cashed out over $430,000, almost $500,000. Another one was a metaverse play, Axie Infinity, went up over 18,000%. Sandbox over 16,000%. Polygon Matic over 14,000%. Phantom, I think Phantom was around in 2018, but it went over 13,000%. Terra Luna, before it crashed, it was up big time, over 15,000%. Also Solana over 11,000%. Cardano over 8,000%. Harmony One over 5,000%. Decentraland over 4,000%. So those were some of the biggest gainers of 2021. But this list does not include a ton of projects that had massive runs, especially projects in the meme coin category. For example, Shiba Inu had a massive, massive run, way bigger than any of these coins on this list. Dogecoin had a massive run as well, SafeMoon, and a ton of other meme coins. Yeah, they were risky, but they made a lot of people millions of dollars. I'm not telling you not to dollar cost average into projects that you believe will survive the bear market. If they do, you will probably make a ton of money. All I'm telling you is think outside of the box. Stay with crypto. Even in the bear markets, there are a ton of amazing projects being developed and being launched. A lot of them will not be very successful in the beginning. A lot of them are going to stay flat for the entire bear market. But once the next bull run comes around, those are the projects that are going to have massive, massive gains. Just like the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap in 2018, a lot of those projects are dead. They're gone forever. The same thing will happen to the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap today. In a couple years, they will be gone. So a lot of people that are dollar cost averaging into the top 100 coins or picking some random few, A lot of those people are going to get wrecked simply because their projects are not going to make it in the next bull run. Just catching a few of these projects could have made you millions and millions of dollars. Just imagine if you invested $2,000 or $5,000 into Gala in 2019 when no one was talking about crypto, when the bull run was nowhere in sight. All of these projects that I mentioned, such as Gala, Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Solana, Harmony One, Polygon Matic, these projects did not exist in 2017 and 2018, but they were some of the biggest gainers in the last bull run. So stick with crypto, and most importantly, stay engaged. Yeah, dollar cost average into your favorite projects, but also do research. Always be on the lookout for a new project launching, especially in the bear market. That is how you know the developers are truly dedicated, if they are developing when the entire market is crashing. That is how you know these projects are going to make you a ton of money. And you never know, you might run across an amazing project where you only invest $1,000 and come next bull run, your $1,000 becomes $1 million. Sometimes you have to do the total opposite of what the masses are doing. When everyone is DCAing into Bitcoin and Ethereum, think outside the box. DCA into something else. DCA into brand new projects. DCA into riskier plays. Yeah, it is way riskier, and you're probably going to lose a ton of money. But all it takes is 1 or 2 projects to make you life-changing money where you don't have to work another day in your life. One other thing that I would like to mention, trends change all the time. Back in 2017 and 2018, nobody ever heard about the metaverse. There wasn't any metaverse plays or metaverse projects. Don't even get me started on NFTs. Those were non-existent. Nobody had NFTs. They didn't even exist back then. Also, meme coins as like a big category that we have right now didn't exist. So stay alert for new trends that are coming to crypto. Web3 also wasn't a thing. There's literally so many brand new trends that happened in 2020 and 2021 that were completely non-existent in 2017 and 2018. And catching those trends early, you could have made millions. So in the next bull run, look for trends and try to jump on them as early as you possibly can. The earlier you jump on these brand new trends, the more money you can potentially make. Also guys, in the future, in the next bull run, there's going to be a lot of brand new trends that we haven't even thought of right now. Possibly what? Maybe Web 5, Web 10, Metaverse 3.0, whatever. These upcoming trends are going to have some of the biggest gainers in the game and probably in that bull run. So for those 1000X, stay alert on new trends. All right, everybody, that is all I have for you today. Let me know what you think about these ideas in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.